Hi guys, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. I thought I would make a video to show you how I make my birthday banners for my Etsy shop. It's really simple to make and all you need is a few materials. So all the things I use today will be listed in the description box below. And if you want to check out my Etsy shop, I'll also link that down below as well. So before I begin, please do give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos in the future. So yeah, let's begin. So here I have already created my flags. You can easily get a template from Google Images or create one from scratch, which I'll show you right now. So I've selected a square from the shapes and changed the color to blue and just unlock it. And for the width, I will be using 5 inches and the height 3.5. Okay, so once that is done, I'm just going to place it underneath here. And next, I will be using the triangle from the shapes. So I'm just going to play around with the triangle and make sure I unlock it to adjust the size and the shape of it. And just drag the triangle on top of the rectangle. So when you think it looks nice and even, then now you select the triangle and the rectangle, and at the bottom right hand side there's slice, and then move that out of the way and we have our flag. Delete that. Now I need to create some holes for the ribbon. And for the circle, I'm going to be using 0.2 and just drag the circle over to the corner here. Select the circle and the flag and slice. Move that out of the way, and then you have this circle, which you can also use as a template. Drag it down and do the same again. Click on the circle and the flag and slice, and just move that out of the way. Delete, and there we have it, our first flag. So the cardstock I'm using can only fit 4 flags at a time, so I'm just going to prepare it for the cutting. Duplicate this 3 times and then just line it up next to each other. Select all the blue flags and attach. So that is how I create my flags. Just going to remove the pink one and work on the blue one. Now we're going to make it and click continue. So I'm using the standard grip mat today. Ideally the light grip would be better for this project, but since this mat is not as sticky, it will be okay when you remove the card from the mat. Right here I'm using the 170 GSM cardstock. Also, another really great tip is to use masking tape to tape the sides so that the paper doesn't slide about when it goes through the machine. For the setting, I usually use cardstock, but because of the condition of my mat, I'm going with bonded fabric. I hope you found this video helpful so far, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down below. And another helpful tip is to bend the mat slightly to lift the flags up so this doesn't ruin your work. This is how it looks. I'll need about 13 of these flags in total. Once the flags are all done, I'll be creating happy birthday, so click on text. And I change the height to 2 inches and ungroup it and move the letters along so it will fit all in one page. And now I'm going to select all and change the color to yellow so it represents the gold, and then press attach. For the letters, I will be using the 300 GSM glitter cardstock and the setting poster board. And again, just carefully weed this all out. And this is what it should look like. And most importantly, make sure you always save your work so you can use it for next time. So just to give the letters more dimension, I will be using the square double-sided tape. So this is how it looks. And now it's time to thread all these flags together with some gold ribbon. I always like to measure out how long I need the ribbon to be, so make sure you have more than enough to work with. Also, a really great tip to stop the ends from fraying is to just seal it with the lighter at the end. The top row is done, and I'll just finish off the bottom row. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give me a like and subscribe to see more in the future. So see you soon.